For sale, 2021 GMC Savana Cutaway with 16-foot box and walk-up ramp. This GMC Savana Cutaway is powered by a 6.6-liter L8T V8 gasoline engine delivering 401 horsepower and paired with a 6-speed GM6L90E automatic transmission. Built with a GVWR of 12,300 pounds and a 177-inch wheelbase, it is designed to handle demanding commercial use while maintaining reliability and strength. The box body measures 16 feet long, 79 inches high, and 96 inches wide, equipped with a roll-up rear door for easy access. It comes fitted with a Morgan body featuring a translucent roof, aluminum walk-up ramp, and power convenience package. The truck runs on a single rear axle with front axle rated at 4,300 pounds and rear axle at 8,600 pounds, supported by spring suspension for a solid ride. Safety and driver assist features include forward collision alert, lane departure warning, and a rear view camera. Additional equipment includes towing package, driver convenience package, and full power accessories. This unit has logged 90,849 miles with 2,719 engine hours and has been fleet maintained. It is a one-owner truck with a clean Carfax, accident-free history, and complete maintenance records available.
Looking for a reliable work truck with financing that works for you? Truck and Van Outlet is your destination for top-quality commercial vehicles and zero down payment financing designed to help business owners, contractors, and fleet operators hit the road without the financial headache. Whether you're hauling cargo, lifting with a bucket truck, or handling construction jobs with a dump body, our inventory is built for hard work and real-world performance. Each truck is thoroughly inspected, professionally maintained, and ready to go. Because downtime isn't an option when you've got jobs to finish and clients to serve. We offer easy and flexible financing options, nationwide delivery, and a customer-first approach that's earned us a reputation you can trust. Our team is here to guide you every step of the way, from selecting the right vehicle to getting you approved and rolling fast. At Truck and Van Outlet, it's more than just a sale, it's a partnership. Because when your business moves, we move with you. Call us today at 305-646-1945 or visit truckandvanoutlet.com to browse our inventory and apply for financing. Your next work truck is just a click away. Truck and Van Outlet. Tough trucks, easy terms, real value.